Stay over that way. Stay over. Stay over. Stay over. Stay. Oh, sake. Welcome folks, Nick here. It's day 31, really late, 10:30. I had a very disrupted sleep last night, I don't know why. I was up at 4 and then felt tired at 7, so went back to bed. Little campsite here was adequate, shall we say. Completely lacking in toilet facilities, I would say that, but the restaurant was very good, the food was very good. Anyway, today we're continue our journey towards Pelo. Our next destination, if you like, is Rovaniemi, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, which is the Santa Claus town, supposedly. Oh, we're still out of Muonio, 31. I thought we were in Muonio. Anyway. And that's about 350 kilometres away, I think, in total. So I'm not sure. Depends how things go today. But it's really, really warm. I've got all the vents I can open on my jacket and zip undone a bit. The other trouble with that campsite is the mosquitoes and these massive great fly wasp things. I don't know if they're horse flies or what they are, but whatever they are, they weren't nice, just kept on pestering. Anyway, enough of me moaning. Beautiful day in Finland on a motorcycle, sun shining. What really have I got to moan about? So we have a reindeer ahead of us. It's amazing. Look at it running straight into the there's not much traffic on this road yet. Coming the opposite direction of a couple of kilometres ago was a cyclist who needed to be overtaken by a massive great truck. Look at this thing. Get out of their way. Stay over that way. Stay over. Stay over. Stay over. Stay. Oh, sake. Oh, cool. I think with hindsight, maybe I should have just stopped and let it do its thing for a while. Oh, but anyway, my story. A few kilometres back, roads like this, there's a cyclist coming the other direction, and his massive great juggernaut reached it, the cyclist, at the same time as I did. It sort of just, well, how does that happen? There's hardly any traffic on the road. Well, I didn't see this coming. Just come through a rain shower. Just enough for trucks, which aren't many, just to spray up huge amounts of moisture all over you. That's not too bad. And it's definitely cooled. It's because the sun's gone behind that cloud. As I say though, I didn't expect rain. Tucked all my rain gear away. It was such a beautiful start to the day, but it's made it smell really fresh, nice. I'm not moaning. conservation. The mucky spraying that up. It's actually been raining quite heavily for a couple of kilometres. I refuse to put my over jacket thing on because I know that that's just porous. It's like blotting paper. It soaks it in, doesn't allow the textile to dry then. It wouldn't be one of my journeys if there wasn't rain, would it? I'm on a very effective route down through Finland, but it's not the most inspiring. Incredibly straight road. Lots of trees either side, and every now and again there's rivers and lakes. And I'm not regretting coming back this way, but part of me thinks maybe I should have just gone back the way I came because it was so beautiful. But then the world is such a big place, you have no idea what you're missing by doing that. So I do not regret coming this way. It's just different. That's all. They're very nice trees. Let's put it that way. And the sunshine. And every now and again there's the odd reindeer. I stopped for lunch. Had a baguette with some salady bits in it and a Coke. And about a litre of water. And the phone that says Rovaniemi, about 100 kilometres. My sat nav claims it's 174 kilometres or something. And the challenge is, with the sat nav, Garmin GPS device, has decided that Rovaniemi, or however you pronounce it, apologies, is 74 kilometres beyond where it actually is. Rovaniemi, it's 98 kilometres. That's about right. So I've had to put in some sort of random street number, street name in the with that postcode, just so that it takes us somewhere close. And there is a campsite which looks quite nice. Can't figure out its pricing, but if it's nice there, I might spend 2 nights just because I can. Well, we're 30 kilometres from Rovaniemi. The heavens open. It really came down, a pretty heavy downpour. Well, that's okay, it's just a passing shower. But yeah, we're only 30 kilometres away. We've reached the end of day 32. I've reached Rovaniemi. Did about 270 kilometres today. The roads were fine, but that's about all I can say of them. The scenery was very much sort of similar the whole way through. The roads were 90 kilometres an hour, so you could make progress. But just, I had doubts about whether I should have headed back down through Norway, but no. Try somewhere new. Highlight for me today actually was finding a supermarket where I could get a proper salad mix, which I did, and had a very nice mix of salad for my dinner, and a beer. Plan for tomorrow is I'm going to stay here 2 nights and just explore. Actually, I'm going to the Santa Claus village. It's a bit commercial, but you've got to do these things whilst you're here. And that's about it. Nothing much else to report. Campsite seems fine, very expensive, 36 euros per night. But here we are. Anyway, all leaves me to do is say bye for now.